philosophy. 'Cause I look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. It's true, my gold ring is beautiful, and everyone wants one. Everyone wants to have my style. In the club or on the street, everybody that I meet wants to learn to play my game. And they watch the way I move, from my head to my shoes, and all the girls know my name. I know in their hearts they wish and dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. All the people everywhere, everybody wants to hear my playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. I know in their hearts they wish and they dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. All the people everywhere, everybody wants to hear my playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. It's true, my gold ring is beautiful, and everyone wants one. Everyone wants to have my style. In the club or on the street, everybody that I meet wants to learn to play my game. And they watch the way I move, from my head to my shoes. Playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like a star when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. I know in their hearts they wish and they dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. All the people everywhere, everybody wants to hear my playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. It's true, my gold ring is beautiful, and everyone wants one. Everyone wants to have my style. In the club or on the street, everybody that I meet wants to learn to play my game. And they watch the way I move, from my head to my shoes, and all the girls know my name. I know in their hearts they wish and dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. All the people everywhere, everybody wants to hear my playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like a star when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. I know in their hearts they wish and they dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural.
Oh. Fucking. Beste groove. Kan je gewoon raar. Game Best Groove. Natural Playboy. Helo. Di mic fi'n swnio'n iawn, tyd yn swnio'n uffern o bloated ac y shitty. So class, so fucking game yn dangos da. Bang. Class. Class. Dwi eisiau neud hynna'n motto newydd stream fi. Stay class. Dwi'n styr syff o gwmpas, dwi'n gwella meddwl. Croeso. Oh my god, na ci. Hwn. Na ci, hwn. Ie, hwn, eidl. Advisor, new... Oh my god, na. Dwi heb di chwarae hwn ers ages. Dwi'n hwn ers ages. Yeah, so catchphrase newydd y stream ydi class. Os di rhywbeth yn digwydd ar stream, a chi'n meddwl sy'n class, o'r class yna. Large map. About easy game. Just easy game. Normal. Standard game. Hein, dwi'n mysio. O'n i yn Scotland yn cael y llun yna. Mae di be right back llun fi. Eisiau cael road trip yn Scotland yn 2018. A fi'n cymryd hwnna. So. Gadw i'n ôl. Ond ia. Crackle yn yr audio ti feddwl? Dwi'n feddwl fel lawr chydig bach. Gwn i os yw'n behafio. We'll do it live! Yn barel nis, pan barel sgyn fi. Hwna dal gynna fi. Yn barel o'r fflag Cymru, oherwydd dwi yn Cymraeg. Flag ein ddraig ydi o. Iawn ta, just... Na. No one. Just casual... Oh, na! Oh, na! Na! Oh, diolch gêm. Shouldn't be. Dude's been sure.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest.
Whose connection?
This early cradle of civilization on towards the stars.
Oh, stress.
Well, Ambiorix. Where the size of your armies fail, use your head and gild your tongue to reclaim your land. Your allies will follow your lead.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Dwi'n swnio'n iawn, yndw, dwi'n swnio'n iawn, de. Be am y gem? Ddylen yna ddim sŵn fod ar y gem, man. Oce, allan y gem. Allan y gem. Dim cackle pan mond chdi sy'n siarad. What? Gwad cap yma. Na. Cadw hwnna, cadw hwnna, hwnna. Cadw hwnna, cadw hwnna. Cadw hwnna, cadw hwnna. Rydw hwnna. Rydw hwnna. Bwcdi hwnna. Okay, take two. Oes yna cackle wan? Gwych wan, ideal. Dwi'n gweithio yn y tech industry, dwi'n gweithio yn yr IT industry. Dwi'n falch, yn oethio. Dwi'n mynd i controversial decision wan. Dwi'n mynd i controversial decision. Efo, mynd i controversial decision fi am hynny. Mae'n symud. Iawn, great game. Na chi yn mynd i weld awesome, high quality gameplay fan fan. Pwy di o'n fod? Rhetorical question na, dwi'n gwybod pwy di o'n fod. Dwi am fod yn Trajan. Dwi am fod yn Trajan. Dwi am fod yn Trajan. Yndw, Trajan. Dwi am fod yn Trajan. Iawn. Strap yourself in. Strap yourself in. High quality play. Yn dod o'n. So rwy'n yn y chat yn dda neu wedi chwarae'r gêm yma o blaen. Ydyn ni'n gyd yn Civ 6 experts.
Stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this
Love your game. Oh my god, what?
On towards the stars.
Civ 6 gang riser.
Wide, O Trajan, Emperor of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish
Civ 6 dwi'n chwarae online efo ffrindiau. O, Civ, dwi'n chwarae Civ 6 single player. Ond dwi'n chwarae Civ 5 efo hen ffrind ysgol. O, efo King Kong Small... Elis, ti'n newid unrhyw chdi i hwnna. Cos dwi'n eisiau cael ymlaen deud King Kong Small Dong ar stream. Ond ie, efo King Kong Small Dong dwi'n chwarae Civ 5 fel efer. Ond, heddiw, Civ 6, o Civ 6...
This river has floodplains, which means it has flooded before, and might burst its banks again. A flood along this river
Okay,
could
Google.
happen at any point in
Stop.
the future. This presents us with risks, but potentially benefits
That's
too.
thing we. O, so dwi'n... Ia, ti angen enw chdi. Anyway. Dyn ni'n yma i siarad amdan... Dy be ddo? Intro fideo fi. King Kong Small Dong yn dawnsio dio. Bach o Emrys Hobo stream trivia fan i chi. Yr person sydd... Hwn.
And I am blowing every mind. 'Cause I'm running.
Ydy... King Kong Small Dong. Be dwi'n cofio wneud yma? Os dwi'n cofio de, os ti'n wneud City Centre ar resource bonus, ti'n automatically mainio fo. So... Beth yw'n mynd i fanna? Pam beth yw'n mynd i fanna? O, ie. Fanna. Nila de.
Near the Mysoges, opposite Laodicea, is Hierapolis,
Pam Ucale.
where a hot spring
Pam Ucale.
and a
Dwi'n know.
plutonium, both of which have some singular properties. The water of the springs is so easily consolidated and becomes
A'n i'n cael
stone
noson Civ
that
5
if
yn
it is
noson.
conducted through water
Online
courses,
Civ 5 night.
dams are formed consisting of a single piece of stone.
O'n i'n seinio fyny i stwff eSports Wales. Neithiwr. A
Our civilization has accomplished something
dwi'n meddwl yn y
historic.
Civ 5. Yes, boosted. Fyny ta lawr, fyny. Floodpins fyma de. Iawn. Yay! Un beth dwi'n lycio am hwn. Ie, Sean Bean dio. Mae'n hyd oed fatha fideo ffynnu maen nhw wedi rhyddhau o fo'n marw felly. Sy'n am yn neud, ie. Ond ie, Sean Bean. Ta beth dwi'n joio nhw? Dwi'n joio nhw cos mae'n amlwg wedi gwneud bob dim yn un take off papur. Ond dwi roed i gael reading mor unsincere ond eto sincere yn amser. Mae'r speeches yn cychwyn reit cool. Iawn, be dwi'n dwi'n fildio? Give me a scout. Give me a scout. Fucking hell! Start away! Fuck's sakes. Peder fi. Oh, dwi'n reit yn top. Yes, boost. Boosted! Ooh, the cabs. Ooh, look at me lot. It's a bit of a man. Good spot. How come dyn ni'n dweud Sean Bean fel Sean Bean a nid Sean Bean neu Sean Bean? Be? Dyn ni'n dweud Sean Bean fel... Sean Bean dyn nhw, ia? Please, os da chi am TP... Oh my god, bod dwi'n mynd allan o sgrin. Please, cofiwch chi to bach ar y O. Please. Pryd yn iwsio Sean, diolch yn fawr. Da ni yn stream Cymreig. Diolch yn fawr. A dwi'n wedi cwffio hwnna. Na, major defeat. Na, fuck it. Fuck it.
It is not wisdom, but authority that makes a law.
Give me some policies. Ooh. Oh, dwi'n ond cael minor defeat rwan. do it. Civic. Let's have a look at civics. We're all about trade and war. Hynna di ffordd fi. I don't do culture shit. Don't do culture shit. Heal ya.
I am fond of pigs.
Curt mawr
Dogs
ar
look up to
Cymru.
us. Cats look down on us.
Ie. Ych fawr.
Pigs treat us as equals.
Rhaid ni dechrau... O, ceffylau yma. Ideal. Ideal. Dwi'n eisiau fe ymlaen. I love a science, da. I fucking love a science. Fine. A i chi gofio na hwn ydy... un o'r 2 streams Cymreig. Gwyr ei hynna, da. Gymryd yr... Gymryd y tred yna, da. Tred yna eto? Yeah, go for it. Class! Okay. That's a curve over us. Okay, we're back and... Oh shit. Un peth mae Civ 6 yn shit am wneud there ydy barbarians.
Who deserves more credit than the wife?
Archers. We should definitely seaports, yeah. Get that seaport. Get that fishing. Oh, spear. Give me a bach hwnna, de. Ooh, spices yma.
As our civic knowledge grows,
Ow.
Every nation lives by
Ie. Dim eto. Shh. Na. Iawn. Dwi, hynna. Ooh. Dwi just... Oh, pa dwi just ar ynys? About a curve fawr. Gawn ni ddim abbreviatio King Kong Small Dong I Small Dong, please. Dwi'n meddwl hwnna ydy'r y ffordd I wneud yr enw na'n llai. Dwi'n meddwl. Just yna. Mae'r thing yma'r ec fawr efo hwnna yn yr un bit o bren fi a pobl o piano, ie. Ti'n mynd chwarae piano, ti'n canu piano. Just fuck off, ie. Just fuck off. Roch, ie. Oh, shit. Oh, hello, mate. From a house with grain and wells with water. God's bless my name. Hammurabi. 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 It is an honour to meet you. Ga i symud pen fi fydd? Lle ga i symud pen fi? Ww, swe, boost. Os dyn nhw dros yma, dwi'n meddwl mae'n y pobol yn fama llys. Sy'n ei fi feddwl, dwi angen dechrau claimio fama, ei tandy. Dwi wedi sy'n y chat yn llai ar y sgrin hefyd. Mwy o... Sut ydych chi wedi dod I fema? Delegations more welcome. Diolch yn fawr. Na, dwi'n darllen... Dwi'n... Monster Hunter World mug, official merchandise. Monster Hunter. Okay. Dwi'n mwyn cofio lle geisio, dwi'n mwyn EGX yn fwy'n geisio. Efo, pam ysdi dda i fi fan? Eich ni dechrau mynd fawr o'n. Fortify. Ia, dwi'n mwyn gwybod beth... O, mae'n fan na. Oce. So dwi'n dweud... Na i bildio dinas. Yn fan ma nesa. Science yma na. I cytio fan ma off. Lla i cytio top fan ma off ydyn. Ia. Dwi wastad yn stressed yn yr... yn y bit yma o'r gêm. So fan ta. Stuff, that's some good stuff.
Vessels large may venture more, but little boats should keep near shore.
Taw. Jerusalem. Be dwi angen? Be dwi angen neud? I don't do religion. Science, though. Na, dw. Masonry. Dain. Sorry, pottery. Pottery gynta. In a bit wrong on that.
This volcano is quiet now.
Ooh, volcano.
It could erupt again at some point in the future.
Na. Dwi'n point on flooding. Flooding, not my concern. Online. Ah, di Twitch i law. Na di. Dwi yma. Oh, Twitch i law. No! Ah! Twitch i law! O, dwi dal yn siarad erbyn o'r un yma. O, na, dyn ôl. Dwi dal on? Ynddo? O ie. Nath Twitch gyd lawr i... O'n i'n methu mynd i streams neb arall. Iawn. Committed, li. Ni'n committed. Fel la. Bang. Na fel la, de. Na fel la, de. I dyn di fanna, de. Smile and wave, dwi'n gweld chi. Okay, dwi'n safio stuff. Dwi'n siŵr dwi'n lle. Fuck. Okay. Mae'n edrych a dwi'n nôl. Okay, ideal. Champion. Ideal. Dwi'n nath... Ooh, okay. Ie, nath Twitch lawr ddoe hefyd. O'n i'n ei stream hogan chwarae ddoe. Nath y stream lawr cyn i ni pethau. So mae Twitch wedi bod yn cael... Oh my god! Dwi'n gwybod os dwi dal yma neu dim dal yma. Ie. Oedd fi'n... O, the true goat dal yn gwachad. I see you. Ie, dwi'n meddwl fod... Dwi'n meddwl fod y streams dal i fynd, ond dwi'n meddwl fod y wefan Twitch yn ffucked, dwi'n meddwl. Cos ar session fi yma, dwi'n mynd i dropio gwbl, de. Ond dwi'n meddwl fel... Ie, sbia. Iawn.